Top Alerts presents you the 11 Muslim scientists, who are the inventors of today's advanced science. Number 11. Zakaria al-Razi. 854 CE to 925 CE. He introduced world's first surgical anesthesia. Number 10. Omar Khayyam. 1048 CE to 1131 CE. He invented world's first calendar. Number 9. Ibn al-Haytham. 965 CE to 1040 CE. He invented world's first camera, and wrote about gravity 700 years before Newton's discovery. Number 8. Musa al-Khwarizmi. 780 CE to 850 CE. He is known as the founder of algebra. Number 7. Sheikh Din Muhammad. 1759 CE to 1851 CE. He introduced shampoo in Europe and was appointed shampooing surgeon to Kings George IV and William IV. Number 6. Ibn Sina. 980 CE to 1037 CE. He gave first scientific theory of earthquakes, rainbows, thunder, lightning and reflection. His book The Canon of Medicine was used as standard medical textbook in Islamic world, and Europe up to 18th century. Number 5. Jabir ibn Hayyan. 721 CE to 815 CE. Known as father of chemistry, he was the first scientist to produce chemicals to color clothes and glass, also introduced methods to remove impurities from metals, and developed procedure to make steel. Number 4. Abu al-Qasim az-Zahra'i. 936 CE to 1013 CE. He developed methods to produce artificial teeth, and designed many surgical instruments, which are still being used in modern era. Number 3. Al-Kindi. 801 CE to 873 CE. Wrote 4 books on number system and modern mathematics. He also developed the scale of quantifying medicine potency. Number 2. Al-Biruni. 973 CE to 1048 CE. He stated first time, that speed of light is immense as compared to speed of sound, described Milky Way galaxy as collection of stars, and invented astronomical instruments. Number 1. Nasr al-Din al-Tusi. 1201 CE to 1274 CE. He was the first astronomer to determine the movement of planets. Subscribe for more videos. If you like this video, please don't forget to like it, share it, and leave your comments below. And also visit our website topalerts.com. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter and Google+. Find us on Pin and Tumblr.